Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the evaporator fan motor assembly on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new freezer fan and felt kit for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The evaporator fan motor circulates the air in the freezer compartment across the cooling coil. If the fan motor fails, it can cause the freezer to stop cooling properly. The fan motor may also make noise when it fails. This noise can sometimes be attributed to the fan blades running into ice or frost. Since we will be working with the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect power to the refrigerator. Start by opening the freezer door. Then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. In order to make filming this easier, we will be removing the freezer door. You do not have to remove the freezer door to complete this repair. Using a 3/8 inch nut driver, remove these 6 screws. Tilt the door forward and lift up and out. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the retaining slot and pry the tab up and out. Then slide the cover down to remove. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Then pry the locking tab on the evaporator cover and pull the fan assembly out, starting with the right side. If you need to purchase a new freezer fan and felt kit, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. Before removing the wax paper from the felt, align this notch to the wiring harness and then make sure that the tabs are roughly positioned in the corners. Then, one section at a time, peel the wax paper away from the felt and press into place. Fold the tabs down. Align the fan assembly to the retainer on the evaporator cover with a sticker on the fan facing out and the wiring harness in the bottom right corner. Insert the left side and press until it snaps back into place. Then, reinstall the electrical connector. Slide the tabs on the freezer fan cover beneath the retaining slots on the evaporator cover. Press the locking tab into the retaining slot so that the teeth on the tabs seat behind the evaporator cover. To make installing the door easier, insert a small object onto the pinion wheel track to jam the gear so that the slide brackets stay in place. Then align the tabs on the door brackets to the retainers on the slide rails and gently set in place. Reinstall the screws. To install the lower drawer, insert it at an angle, making sure it sits beneath the support glide. Then pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.